What is going on, guys? So this will be the start of some new content, hopefully, moving forward. That is, once we get moved, but moving day is slowly approaching, and I have this albatross right here that I've got to take care of and get rolling. First, I got to get it back on the ground. It's been up on jack stands for the last since Harvey 2017, so got to get it down on the ground. And once it's on the ground, I checked, transmission's full of water, still never drained that, but put it in neutral. I was able to break the rust loose in the drums and get the wheels spinning, so that's good. Still have the keys, they're always in the ignition because nothing happens. But hopefully, now that the channel is monetized, I can get my $10 a month and maybe start putting it back into this thing. One advantage to the move is here really soon you will be seeing every project car that I have. Unfortunately, with my dad passing away, I have now taken in all of the project cars. So there's not one, there's two Fox bodies. This, of course, is the Submarine Fox, which is all over my YouTube channel. The other one is R82. That one's interior's a little trashed from sitting out in the Texas heat for years and years and years, but it's going to require a lot less work than the Submarine Fox. I know it needs a clutch, need to wire up a new ignition system, clean the fuel system, little stuff, and I'll be able to get that one running, no problem. And then, of course, I now have my 99 GT back, so that'll be another project I'll be taking on. I've decided to take that car, and because my son is only 5 years away from getting his permit, I got 5 years to get that car ready. So it needs a motor. Hopefully I'll be able to get a motor. But my main priority is getting this car out of this garage, probably, hopefully, in the next week and a half. But like I said, I got to get it down on the ground first, so that way I can find a trailer to back up this steep driveway all the way up and somehow get this car on the trailer. And yeah, it has the vacuum booster is full of water still. That's interesting. Here, I'll let you hear that. So yeah, no brakes for sure. Oh. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I guess we better make sure the brakes didn't get seized. Excuse the mess. I'm doing a lot of packing. No, we're good. Front should spin, hopefully. Ooh, got a little bit of seized brakes there. Doesn't sound good. Oh no, that's just something bouncing around behind the lug nut cover, center cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna work on getting this thing on the ground for the first time in 17, almost 5 years. So let me get it down. Get some light on the subject. Not like I can hurt anything. On a side note, it's still remarkably clean under here. I don't know how well I'll come out on video. Surprisingly, it's been sitting in here for, it's actually been sitting in the same spot for 10 years. And yeah, it hasn't leaked any oil. Ooh, Harvey floodwater. That's yummy. Guess I better pull that drain plug so it doesn't get my nice new carpet all nasty. But, alright, let's get on this. Alright, going down. Step 1 complete. She's on the ground. Step 2 will be to find a trailer, get it loaded on trailer, and get it hauled out of here and to the new place. So I will catch you here real soon for part 2 of getting this one out. And that one will probably have footage of the other 2 also. So, because I'm going to try to move all 3 in one day. If that happens, that's one thing. If it doesn't, then it's going to be a multi-day video. Might be 2 videos. So take it easy. Catch you on the next video.